Okay, so we have the 1/4 horsepower pump. This is something that I do not have right now, but it can be converted down to a hose type. Automatic shutoff. You can avoid the hassle of manually turning your pump on and off. The iSwitch technology removes the water for you. Just set it and forget it. That's exactly why I got this. I got this for 2 reasons. One, to sit on top of the tarp, and another, so I don't have to worry about it, because before I had to go out there and check it over and over. So the other really good thing is, I didn't realize this is a really long cable. I imagine it's at least 10 feet. I got this on Amazon. Be sure to check below in the description for the link to this. It's a long cable. This is really nice because my other one was very short. This is smaller, lightweight, relatively lightweight. And I can't wait to put this on the pool cover. So as you can see, it's been a long, cold winter, and we finally have a thaw day, except I get to go walk around in that muck over there for this. But I'm gonna try to pump my pool out, and I have this new device that I was talking about. Now, I've never used this before. This is the first time using it, and I'm sharing it with you. There's 3 advantages to this for a pool cover. Number 1 is this gives it a bigger surface area to sit down on. Number 2, it's got an automatic shutoff. And number 3, it has a really long cord. I think it's maybe 25, 30 feet long. And that's good because I don't want my power cord close to the pool. I want it really far away. So let's get this thing in the water and see what happens. Okay, I do not have it turned on now, and it's not running. So at first I thought, shouldn't it be running? But then I realized it should turn on when I put it in the water. We have a lot of water here. So it's running right now. And it shut off. That's good. Yeah. That's not good. This hose is old and terrible. Let's go take a look at the water. Oh, what a mess. Rain, rain, rain. Now, not much water is coming out right now, but it's not really fair because this hose is really kinked up. It's been abused. It's been outside for a lot. I might need to switch out the hose. Okay, please give me a like, thumbs up, and all that stuff. And in the link in the description of this video will be this very thing that I bought right from Amazon. Okay, so it's been about 20 hours, and it's the next day, and I went ahead and turned it off. It was still pumping. I feel like this is good enough. I can get those leaves out now. It also rained really hard. So it rained really hard and had a big storm, so it kind of filled back up again, but I just let it run all night and no problems. Now I'm just gonna pull it out, and this is good enough for me. Let's take a look at it. Seems clean. I actually might let it run a little bit longer. Why not?